Hello everyone. We need to solve this Maths Olympiad question. So we have 5 times 4 and then 4 times 8 and then 9. How will we solve this question? What will we do? We will first write it in this form because it has 5 terms, 5 digits, 8, 8, 8, 8 and 9. We will write 5 zeros here plus we will again break this. It will become like this plus 9, right? So next step is, how can we write it? We have 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 times 10 raised to power 5. It can be written as 10 raised to power 5 plus 8, 8, 8, 8 times 10 plus 9, right? Now, what will we do? We will make it in the form of 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we can write it 4 times 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 times 10 raised to power 5 plus 1, 1, 1, 1 times 8 times 10 plus 9, right? Okay. So now this 1, 1, 1, 1 can be written as 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 by 9, right? It will become 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 times 10 raised to power 5 plus, here we have 8 first and then this 1111 can be written as 9999 by 9 and times 10 and plus we have 9 here, right? Equal to, what do we have here now? We have 4 times, this is 99999, 10 raised to power 5 minus 1, right? By 9 times 10 raised to power 5 plus 8 times, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it can be written as 10 raised to power 4 minus 1 by 9 times 10 plus 9, right? So now we will solve it further. What can we do now? Now we will just take the 9 LCM. Okay. What will it become? 4 times 10 raised to power 5 minus 1 times 10 raised to power 5 plus 8 times 10 raised to power 4 minus 1 times 10 plus 81, right? And under root of this 9, it will come out of under root and we will write it 1 by 3 here, right? And now here we will get, what will we do? We will just multiply 4 inside. So it will become 4, 10 raised to power 5 times 10 raised to power 5 is 10 raised to power 10, right? Because 10 raised to power 5 times 10 raised to power 5 is, you add the power and it becomes 10 raised to power 10 minus 4, 10 raised to power 5, 4 times 10 raised to power 5, right? Plus, now similarly here as well we will multiply. 10 raised to power 4 times 10 is 10 raised to power 5 minus 8 times 10 plus 81, right? So we have 1 by 3 here and now we will try to solve it further. How? This is 4 times 10 raised to power 10. As we can see, these two terms both have 10 raised to power 5. So it will become, if we take 10 raised to power 5 common, then 8 minus 4 is 4. So it is 4 in times 10 raised to power 5. Now this is minus 80 plus 81, right? So we have 1 by 3, 4 times 10 raised to power 10 plus 4 times 10 raised to power 5 plus 1, right? Okay. Now we need to solve it further. As we can see, we have square root here. So how can we break it? If we see this here, we have 2 times 2 times 10 raised to power 5 raised to power 2, right? And here, or you can write, instead of this, you can write 2 raised to power 2. Here you have 2 raised to power 2 times 10 raised to power 5 plus 1, right? Now, if we see here, what is this? 2 raised to power 5 or 2 times 10 raised to power 5 plus 1 whole square. Why? Now, what is a plus b whole square? It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So if we do 2 times 10 raised to power 5 plus 1 whole square, we will get this. A square means this square plus b square means this square plus 2ab, right? So we have here, we have 1 by 3. Here we get this square, and square root will cancel out. So we will just get 2 times 10 raised to power 5 plus 1, right? So 1 by 3, this is 2 0 0 0 0, 5 zeros plus 1, and this is now 2 raised to power 0 0 0 1 by 3, right? Now we will divide 6 6 6 6 and 7, and this is our answer.